everybody, and welcome to another unboxing of the Your Creative Studio subscription box. This month we have the Capture Kit, and I'm unclear on what month box this is. It seems to be the theme, but they're not labeled with the months anymore, and I know that I get mine after everybody else who is subscribed to the kit. But this one is labeled Capture, so let's jump right in. So as I suspected from the name of the kit, it does look like there seems to be a camera theme to this kit. I'm really excited about this, so let's go ahead and open. I haven't looked at any of the items yet, so we are seeing this together for the first time. All right, the first is the tape design. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's really cool. I really like those designs. All right, next we have a stamp. I'll be honest, the picture is a little bit confusing. I'm equally confused with the physical item. It is a chicken with a bow tie and sunglasses and a beanie with a camera hanging from his wing. This is definitely one of the stranger items, but cute nonetheless. Let's leave it there. All right, so the next item is a box of probably ephemera. Oh, it's another one of those little sticker books. I really liked the one that we had last month with the flowers. Oh, there's stamps again. And it looks like lots of 50s and 60s designs of advertising. Maybe that's where the chicken comes from. The chicken lives. Oh man, this is going to be fun to use. There is definitely a mid-century modern vibe going on with this. I'm very confused, but we're going to run with it. This pad of collage paper, and it looks like there's a couple different designs. This is going to be really easy to use because it's already collaged, so it's going to be really great to use as layering pieces, even as like the base. I really like these. Anything postally or paper ephemera, you guys know I'm gonna love. So I really, really love this design. And it does have this really cute clear cover on the front. So if you're just using it front to back, you can see whatever design is next. Next, we have a pack of miscellaneous ephemera. So we've got some stickers. So these are like washi stickers, write a letter, a rabbit on a bike. We've got a stopwatch, and then this is just paper ephemera. These are all really cute so far. We got a little girl writing a letter at a beautiful little desk. Here we've got a Victorian madam and this cute little circle. Those are stickers. And then we've got some tags, which I assume is what this twine is for, because they are punched. And then we've got this ticket stub with another lady on it, and then this little thing. These are all really cute. I really like all of those designs. All right, next we have another stamp. All right, so there's two in this one. It kind of looks like a gypsy setup. We've got lots of miscellaneous things with a very old-fashioned camera on top of it. To me, it just looks like, I don't know, very gypsy-like, which I'm kind of drawn to because they were collectors. And then we have a roll of film, which is very 90s. All right, next we have, oh, this is new. We've never had this before. It's a little keychain pouch that looks like a camera. How cute is that? Take the foam out. It's lined on the inside. That is so cute. We have never really had anything like that before, so that's really exciting. Next we have this cute little charm in the shape of a camera. Soup's adorable. We have another stamp here with another antique camera. These designs are really difficult to see. I don't know, this one is very difficult to see the image of, but there it is. All right, so here is the sticker set this month, and again, it looks to me very different than anything we've seen in the past. All right, next we have another pack of paper ephemera, and we had something very similar to this last month. So we've got this taller, skinnier one, and it looks like the same design, but just different color paper. Then we have a square version. Looks like lots of newspaper and advertisements, which is going to be fun. Oh, this is a Titanic. And this looks like maybe 3x4 size. And here you can see a better idea of the different kind of paper that they're using. All right, we have another paper ephemera pack, but this is an exclusive item. All right, so we've got, it doesn't feel like sticker, it just feels like thicker paper, but we've got like some coffee stained, I think they're meant to be photos, like photo negatives maybe, because there's these frames. So these are actually really interesting. They've never done anything quite like this before, which is really, really interesting. And I'm really drawn to this because I feel like I could easily make this the base and collage using all the other items from the kit, which I fully intend to use. And then the designs repeat, but on a corrugated, not even that, it's just a textured paper. It's almost like wallpaper texture. I don't know if you guys can see the texture there, but I mean a very clear weaved pattern texture, and it's the same designs repeated. So that's really cute. Another exclusive. I love their backing cards. I haven't really used them, but I need to start. I still save them, but I really want to challenge myself to use them because they are a thicker paper. All right, so we have a sticker sheet, a regular piece of paper, another regular piece of paper, and then a vellum. So we've got one design and 4 ways to use it. I don't know why there's 2 regular papers. It probably would have been fine with just one, but there we are. So a sticker sheet, 2 pieces of regular paper, and vellum. Same for this design. And this one. This is great for collaging too. This is going to be great layering material. And I love that they're giving a sticker option. You guys know how I feel about having everything be sticker backed, so I don't have to worry about adhesive. But I love that that is an option. I think that's very thoughtful of Amanda to have that be an option for a lot of her items, to have that sticker back. And the last item, her tissue paper. And I don't like opening it on camera because I almost always tear it. But I'll just tuck it in there so that you guys can see what I mean by tissue paper. There is 5 sheets of tissue paper with the exclusive camera designs for this month. And this cute little star pattern. So that's really cute. I like using this paper. It reminds me a lot of like the Tim Holtz tissue rolls. I can get the same effect using this sort of thing with lots of texture, which I really, really like to do. So that is it. Maybe I will stamp some of these designs so that we can see what the image is meant to be a little bit more clearly. All right, we'll just move some of these things out of the way. And I don't know if it's meant to come off easily. Oh, there we go. This little thing comes off so that you can attach it to a block, which I have here. So you just attach it to your block like so. Ooh, that's pretty. It'll be almost impossible for me to get that clear stuff on again, but that's all right. So some of them are a little bit easier to use. Let's try to do it this way to get the clear thing off, and some of them not so much. This month seems to be coming off pretty easily. You just have to find the right spot. So I'm just laying it on the paper like this so that I can just take my clear block and attach them, and that way when I go to stamp them, they're all in the same location. Just for the sake of making the video go by a little bit faster. This chicken is weird, man. I'll admit it. So there are the designs. How pretty are those? I mean, the chicken is weird for sure, but yeah, that is it. That is the kit. You guys will see me use it in the future for future journaling and mail art videos, so don't you worry about that. Lots of paper this month. A lot of paper. Definitely not lacking in collage bits, if you can see. This is a lot of paper to collage with, so all very exciting things, but that is basically it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to leave them down below. If you are not subscribed, I would encourage you to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything in the future, and I will catch you guys later. Thanks. Bye.